What's up, guys? I just got lucky. Went to an outboard club meet yesterday and I scored this 5,000 watt Homelite generator for 50 bucks. I checked it, actually my buddy who I got it from, he had worked on it. Carburetor was really corroded and nasty inside. He cleaned it up as best as he could. He couldn't get it running, so he did some searching online and found a carburetor for, it was less than 20 bucks. So he didn't want to mess with it anymore, so I bought it from him, and I ordered up a carburetor for it. It was 18 bucks. Once I get it running, I will continue this. The only other thing I noticed that it needs a pull rope, so I'll get that changed. And I did spray some carburetor cleaner down the carburetor, and with the switch on, I pulled it over, fired right up, and ran. So with any luck, it'll put out power, and we'll go from there. So, see when I get the carburetor and put it on. What's up, everybody? And just want to say, before I start this video, happy 4th of July to everybody. Back on the generator. Got my new carburetor installed. And here's the old carburetor. So it only took me, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes to put the new carburetor on. Started right up, and I found the generator wasn't putting out any power. So with the help of Jeremy Fountain, Homelite 1, I watched his video, and I determined that the automatic voltage regulator, or the AVR, is toast. I've only got 8 volts coming out of it, where I should have 24 volts coming out of it. I've got proper input to the AVR. I pulled the brushes off, and I found the brushes slightly melted. Well, one of the brushes, the brush holder melted, and the brush not moving. I did some Google searching and found that can be caused by overloading the generator. So I've ordered both the brushes, which I got on eBay for, it was like 7 bucks, and I ordered the AVR from Parts Tree, which it was like 25 bucks or whatever. So for, less than 150 bucks, I'll be, having a functioning generator, hopefully. When I get both the AVR and the brushes, I'll continue this video. So, see you then. Bye. What's up, everybody? I'm back on the generator. Got my AVR in the mail tonight. I ended up actually ordering it from e-replacement parts and canceling my order from Parts Tree, because Parts Tree was taking too long. But got it installed. Fired it up. It actually wasn't producing power at first, so what I ended up doing is just hooking up my battery charger to the brushes while it was running, and re-flashing the, re-exciting the field, and now it produces power. So I'll fire it up for you and show you that it does make power. Just see if I'm in. Yeah. Switch on. Turn the breaker off. Pull the choke. Fuel's on. Just want to say thanks to Jeremy Fountain, More Medic 1, for helping me get this producing some power. I'll put the link to his video in the description. I've got just under $100 into this generator, so perfect. Now I'm gonna change the oil and replace the pull cord. The end is kind of frayed up, so it deserves a replacement. But thanks for watching, guys. And my next video will be probably a truck video. I'm gonna be doing some exhaust work to it. So watch for that within the next week or two. Bye.